Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Monday, November 8th, 2010. Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner had to apologize this weekend to all of the G20 nations. He had to rebuke his idea on foreign currency surpluses. Also, Bernanke was taking it on the chin from finance ministers across the planet. All the other countries are criticizing our QE2 $600 billion stimulus package. They fear that not only is it going to squash the US dollar, but it's also going to hurt their currencies and their trade balances as well. Zolnik, the World Bank president, in an op-ed article in the Financial Times this morning, is even calling for a modified gold standard application so that the major currencies around the world will peg their currency to gold to try to stabilize world currencies. Folks, things are starting to heat up with regard to our QE2. Other countries are trying to do the right thing and being fiscally responsible, and we're printing even more money. Well, the Dow was down, and so was the S&P, but not by much. The NASDAQ actually ended up 1 point in the black. Copper was flat. Oil was down 5 cents. Gold, though, was up $11.80 the ounce, almost 1%, to $14.09.5, and hit an intraday all-time high. Silver, once again the big winner, was up over 3.5%, or 95 cents an ounce. Silver is up to $27.70 an ounce, and now it's bumping up against $28 an ounce. That historical 15-to-1 spread between gold and silver, silver is doing its best to close that spread or historical gap. Treasuries, 5-year, 10-year, and 30-year yields were all up and prices were down. People are concerned that all this printing might just in fact cause inflation. The US dollar was up against the euro and the pound, but down against the yen. The dollar was actually stronger today, even though all the world currencies were concerned about our weakening dollar. One day a trend does not make. There's a little bit of an ebb and flow, but if you look at the dollar strength over the past few months, it's been declining significantly. Europe was down across the board, with those sovereign debt worries once again rearing their ugly head. Worries about Ireland, Portugal, and Spain. The Greek stock market, however, rallied as their socialist party did well in the elections. That's how the story goes. I personally believed that it was because China recently announced that not only would they back the euro, they would bail out Greece if necessary. Asia was up on good economic news from Japan. Their earnings and sales for their automakers was up despite a strong yen. Going forward, we need to pay attention and see if our politicians and our Fed over here in the United States become fiscally responsible or just give us lip service and continue to print. This has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Monday, November 8th, 2010.